Okay, so for round 12, we're going to begin with a chain 1. Then we're going to do single crochet in the first 4 single crochet. And then we're going to do 2 single crochet in the next single crochet, so an increase. And then we're going to do a single crochet in the next 10 single crochet. And I'm going to do 2 single crochet in the next single crochet, so an increase. And then we're going to do a single crochet in the last 4 single crochet. And then, like normal, we're going to join into the first with a slip stitch. And then and then that's the end of round 12. So here we're on round 13. For round 13, we will start with a chain 1. And then we will do single crochet in the next 5 single crochets. And then we will do 2 single crochet in the next single crochet. So another increase. And we'll do a single crochet in the next 10 single crochet. And then we will do 2 single crochet in the next single crochet. So once again an increase. And then we'll do a single crochet in the last 5 single crochet. And then we will do a slip stitch into the first stitch of the round once again. So you should have a total of 24 stitches, single crochets all the way around. So for round 14 now, we will chain 1. And then we will do a single crochet in the next 6 single crochet. And then we will do chain 3. And then we will do a single crochet in the next 4 single crochet. And then we will chain 4. And then we'll do a single crochet in the next 5 single crochet. And then we will chain 4. And then we will do a single crochet in the next 4 single crochet. And then we will chain 3. And we will do a single crochet in the last 5 single crochet. And then we will do a slip stitch into the first stitch of the round, like normal. Okay? So here's what we have so far. So here we are on round 15. To begin round 15, we will chain 1. And then we will do a single crochet in each of the next 5 single crochets. And that'll lead us right up to the loop. So here's the loop. Okay, so we did our single crochet into the last 5 single crochets. And here's our chain 3 loop. Into the chain 3 loop, we will do 10 double crochets. Then we will skip a single crochet and single crochet in the next 3 single crochets. Okay, so we're gonna, if we pull it, we will skip this one, work in the next 3, and then there's our next loop. So skip the first one, work into the second, third a single crochet, and fourth a single crochet. So 3 single crochets. Okay. Our next loop, we will do 16 double crochets. So then, afterwards, we will, if we pull it again, we will skip the next single crochet. We will do a single crochet in the next 4 single crochets. And 4. And we're here with our other loop. In this third loop, we will do 16 double crochets into this. Okay, there we go, 16. So then if we pull it again, we will skip the next single crochet and work 3 single crochets in the remaining 3. 1 single crochet in the remaining 3 single crochets, like normal. So skip the next one, do a single crochet into the second, a single crochet into the third, and a single crochet into the fourth. For a total of 3 single crochets, and we have our final loop where we will do 10 double crochets into there. So then we will skip the next single crochet and work a single crochet in the remaining 5 single crochets of the round, just like previously. And then once again we will do a slip stitch into the first stitch of the round like normal. Okay, and that's the end of round 15. So our thing would look like this so far. We are at the beginning of round 16. For round 16 we will begin with a chain 1, move our stitch holder over, and then we will do a single crochet in the first 5 single crochet. And number 5, and if you pull it just to make sure, we did our single crochet on top of this 5th single crochet, and then the next one is a double crochet. So that's how we know we've done it correct so far, if the next one is a double crochet. Now we're going to do similar to what we did with the previous scales. We're going to take the scale, push it down. We're going to first find the skipped single crochet. Here it is. Okay, right there. So we're going to take the scale, push it down, get ready for double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, find that skipped stitch, right there it is, insert your hook into the hole of the scale from the bottom up, push it through into that skipped single crochet, and then complete a double crochet. After you do your double crochet, you will have your 3 single crochet. You will do a single crochet in each of those 3 single crochets. Okay, so insert your hook from the front now to the back of your first single crochet, and then do a single crochet, and then complete the next 2 like normal. And then you're back at your double crochets once more. So we're going to do the same thing. Find for the next scale, we're going to find the stitch that we skipped, there it is, and do a double crochet into there. Push the scale down. So after you do your double crochet, you will do a single crochet in the next 4 single crochets in between the scales like normal. Take your hook from the front to the back into the first single crochet, do a single crochet. Next one, 3, and the final one here, 4. Then we're at our next scale. We're going to do the same thing. Push it down, find the one that you missed, that you skipped, yarn over, insert your hook into there from the bottom up, complete a double crochet. Then in the next 3 single crochet, you're going to do a single crochet into each of those. Okay, and then finally the last scale, push it down, find the one that you skipped. Do a double crochet in there. And then in the last 5 single crochet, you're going to do a single crochet in each of those. And then just like the rest of the rounds, into the first stitch of the round, we're going to do a slip stitch into there. And that's the end of round 16. This is at the end of round 16 what your piece should look like so far. Okay, so for round 17, with a chain 1. And then we are going to do 1 single crochet in each of the stitches all the way around. You should have a total of 24 single crochets all the way around. I will meet you at the end of round 17. So here I am at the end of round 17. To finish it off, the first stitch of the round, we are going to do a slip stitch into there like normal. Like that. Now for round 18. For round 18, we're going to begin with a chain 1. And then we are going to do a single crochet in the next 3 single crochet. And we're going to do a decrease 4 times. So we're going to decrease. To decrease, you can do this 2 ways. You can either do a single crochet, two two single crochets together where you insert your hook into this first single crochet, insert your hook into the second single crochet, and do a single crochet. It brings two together. But I like to do it my way, the invisible decrease. So it's very similar, except instead of putting your hook into both loops, you just do it into the front loop. So from the bottom up, insert your hook into the front loop of the stitch. See how stitches have two loops, right? Just the front one. Then insert your hook into the next stitch, just the front loop. So you have three on your hook now. Yarn over, pull through the first two, yarn over, pull through two. Okay, now we're going to do single crochet 3. So we have the two loops there. We did those, move it over. The next one, 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do another decrease. Insert your hook from the bottom up into the front loop, bottom up into the next stitch, the front loop, 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through. Okay, now we're going to do in the next stitch a single crochet, the next stitch a single crochet, and the next stitch a single crochet. Then we're going to do a decrease, bottom up into the front loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through. Then we're going to do 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to do a decrease, and then we're going to do a single crochet in the remaining 4 stitches. 4. Okay, and then once again the beginning stitch of the round, we're going to do a slip stitch into there like normal. Okay, there we go. So you should have 20 single crochets around at this point. For round 19, we're just going to do chain 1 and do a single crochet in each of the stitches all the way around. So again, you should have 20 single crochets at the end of round 19. I will meet you at the end of round 19. So here we are at the end of round 19. Once again, at the end of round 19, we're going to do a slip stitch into the first stitch of the round, and there we have it. Okay, so once again, 20 stitches you should have all the way around. Now for round 20, we're going to begin by chain 1, and then we're going to single crochet in the first 3 single crochets. And then we will do a decrease. And then we will do a single crochet in the next 3 single crochets. And then we'll do a decrease 3 times. Then you should have 4 stitches remaining. You will do a single crochet in the remaining 4 stitches. And then join in the first single crochet with a slip stitch like normal. And then you should have a total of 16 stitches all the way around. Okay, so at the end of round 20, this is what my piece looks like so far. So for round 21, we're going to chain 1. And then we will do a single crochet in each stitch around, and then we will join in the first single crochet with a slip stitch like normal. I will meet you at the end of round 21. You will have a total of 16 stitches around. So here we are at the end of round 21, beginning round 22. For round 22, we will begin with a chain 1. Then we will do a single crochet in the first stitch. Then we will do a decrease. Then we will do a single crochet in the next stitch. Then we will do a decrease. Then we will do a single crochet into the next stitch. Then we will do a decrease. Then a single crochet in the next stitch. we'll do a decrease, single crochet, decrease, and then finally you'll do your last single crochet and then a slip stitch into the first stitch of the round once again. Okay, so at this point you should have 11 single crochet all the way around. Around 23 we are going to do a chain 1 and then we're going to single crochet in each stitch all the way around, and I will meet you at the end of round 23. So at the end of round 23 we will do a slip stitch into the first stitch of the round once again, and we should have 11 stitches around. For round 24 we will begin with a chain 1 and then we will do a single crochet followed by a decrease, and then a single crochet with a decrease, single crochet and a decrease, and then we will do a single crochet in the last 2 stitches followed by a slip stitch into the first stitch of the round like normal, and then we will have 8 single crochet around. And then finally for the last round, round 25, we will do a chain 1 and then we will do decrease, and we will do another decrease, another decrease, and then finally a final decrease, and then we will join into the first stitch with a slip stitch like that, and then we can pull out our stitch holder. There we go. Okay, so this is what your fish should look like so far. Okay, so to finish the mouth now, we're going to do single crochet around here. So we're going to move our hook somewhere around here, insert it, and do a single crochet. I'll show you. So approximately 2 stitches down, insert your hook, do a single crochet. And then this next stitch beside it, do a single crochet. The next stitch beside it, a single crochet, and we're going to keep doing that all the way around. What that's going to do is give us the lips for the fish. So we're going to do that twice on each of these single crochets. Do another round of single crochet, and then finish off with a slip stitch into the first stitch of the round like this, and that'll give us our little fish mouth. So once we're done with the fish, we're going to cut the yarn, leave a tail, and begin working on the eyes.